Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France. I'm still in Arizona and today we're going to make a very Frenchy recipe. We're going to make some Tarragon chicken. So this is a big classic of the French cuisine and it's easy to do. Let's say we need some ingredients for the sauce, but all the ingredients are in the description here below, so please check them. For the chicken, we will not smoke it, we will grill it, let's say, at 140 Celsius degrees until an internal temperature of 71, 72 maybe Celsius degrees. And then I will raise the temperature of the grill to prepare the sauce directly over the flames. So the chicken would be at 74, 75 Celsius degrees, which is safe at the end of the cooking session. All right. First thing to do is to remove the spine of the chicken. We will cook it in roadkill chicken style. Okay. And for the rub, I will use some salt, pepper, and just a little bit of rub to give a beautiful color to the chicken, but not to give a lot of taste like when you do with a lot of rub in smoking mode. All right. Let's go. Let's start with the chicken. So you have to locate the spine of the chicken and draw a line like that, okay? And then we will remove it. Here you can see the rib cage of the chicken. I usually try to remove it. It's better for your guests, so they don't have to struggle with that during the meal. We will rub the meat. If the skin is dry, you can use some olive oil or any other oil just to help the salt and pepper to stick on the skin. Just a little bit. So here I will use the upper level grate to roast the chicken. Why? Because on that way I can put my cast iron pan under the chicken to collect the drippings. The chicken is ready now, so I will prepare the rest of the recipe, the sauce. Look at that beautiful color, it's just fantastic. Okay, now I open the searing plate to get access to the flames and I will raise the temperature of the grill at 200 Celsius degrees. So I will brown the shallots in the drippings. I deglaze with white wine. So I let it reduce for 3 minutes, and now I will add the heavy cream. All right, now the sauce is creamy, so I will add my chicken pieces. And now I will pour off the grill, and I will let the chicken for 20 more minutes in the sauce. So I hope you appreciate this video about the Tarragon chicken in the Pit Boss Pro Serie 1150. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.